We're doing some prep this morning. We've got a bunch of people coming over, and we're making some corn on the grill, and I'm going to show you how to make the best corn on the grill you've ever had. Check it out. Hey everybody, welcome back to Coop to Grill. Alright, so we're doing our version of cooler corn. There's a couple of different ones. There's the one where you take and you shuck all the corn. Ah, shucks. And you shuck it all, you throw it in there, and you take a pot of boiling water and you put it over top of it, close the cooler. Half hour later, your corn is done. Works great. We're not doing that. We're doing Coop to Grill cooler corn. First thing you need is a cooler, and the next thing you need is some corn.
Hey, we got both of those things.
So we're going to take all the corn. We're going to peel these extra pieces off here. All the just the loose ones. We don't need.
Wow.
We don't need that in our way. So we're going to get that ready, and we're going to throw those in a cooler. You can also use a 5-gallon pail if you want, but this is the cooler that the corn is going to go into after it's cooked. I'm going to show you why when we get to that point. So when you're doing this, make sure you keep your hair on here because that is going to be an indicator later. So we're just pulling off all the extra leaves. There we go. We got 18 ears of corn in here. I would recommend if you're going to do this style, at least 6. Next thing we need is salt. So you can use salt, you can use sugar. I've seen people use Mountain Dew or Sundrop if you're in an area that sells Sundrop soda. 7-Up would also work. What we're doing here is we're making a brine. I don't know that any of that stuff makes a difference in the flavor of the corn. I've heard people say that it does, but I've always gone with salt. And we're just making a brine. Salt over the corn. Fill this up with water. We're just going to use hose water. You could fill it up in your kitchen sink if you feel better about that. But we're going to get water on top of this.
I like our fancy hose water.
We've got a cooler full of water and corn. I'm just going to mix that up just a little bit. Make sure that salt's good and in there. But we've got a brine. At least a half an hour. Hour is better. For a minimum, and up to 8 hours. You can let this sit in here for up to 8 hours before you throw it on the grill. Well, we're getting close to party time here.
It looks like it.
I've got ribs and chicken on the smoker. I just got the chicken thrown on there, which means I got about 3 hours left. It's the perfect time to throw my corn on the grill. Come on over here. That's really heavy. I mean, 18 ears of corn in a cooler full of water. It's a lot. Yeah. What that did, that brined it up, but it made everything really nice and wet. This is going to take about 20 minutes. 5 minutes on each side. We're just throwing it on a gas grill. You can do it on charcoal or a smoker, but with all the water, I find a gas grill is best to do these with. Well, that's 10 ears. That's all I can fit on there, and that's fine. Plenty of time. 5 minutes aside. Keep turning them. I'm going to turn them over, and then I'm going to turn them back, and then I'm going to turn them over again. About like that. 20 minutes, and we'll check these out when they're done. When I pull these ones off, this cooler will be empty, and all the corn is going to go into this cooler, and it's going to sit here for, I don't know, anywhere between 4 and 8 hours, and it's going to be perfect. After you're done, if you want to, you can peel all the corn that's left over, if there is any, throw in a Ziploc bag, throw it in the microwave the next day. It's still really good. You just want to take it out of those husks before you throw it in the refrigerator. That's what it's going to do, is it's going to stay in those husks and steam. Remember, to keep the lid closed, that's how they stay cooking. Round 2 on the grill. These are going to cook for about another 20-25 minutes. Just keep rotating them every 5 minutes. You can do quarter turns or half turns or whatever you want. You want all sides to be black when you pull them off of here. Okay. Yeah. See, they're getting there, right? So quarter turn. You want to just quarter turn it. You just keep quarter turning it until you get the whole thing black. Make sure you have a couple of them so that they're sticking out here so you can see that silk is just falling right off. Just perfect. It's getting there, man. It's getting there. So another 5 minutes. And this is a little bit darker than I wanted it to be, but that should be just fine. We're going to actually take one of these smaller ones here, and we'll pull that apart. Yeah, look at all that stuff just comes right off there. You get down to the bottom here. See that? Ooh, a little bit dark. That's this is perfect. This is going to be great. A little bit of butter and a little bit of salt. That's really good. Well, thanks for cooking cooler corn with us here at Coop to Grill. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. Helps grow our channel. Yeah, I am wearing my height-enhancing slippers.
Oh, so that's why you look so tall.
Yeah, exactly.
Uh-huh.
Do you want the regular corn? Or do you want the fuzzy corn?
Why don't you hold both corns,
You can do both corns.
maybe together? Not like that.
Like this?
I like it. Okay,
I don't have a battery.
just
Oh,
a salt.
just a salt. A little bit of butter. Blah, 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 blah.